Evening and thank you for choosing KREX 5 News. I'm Rob Hagan and we begin tonight with housing security for the vulnerable. A project 3 years in the making will change lives for the better and possibly save those lives. The Laurel House apartments will house homeless and at-risk young adults, and today those years of hard work came to fruition. Our very own LENA TAKADA was at the apartment's grand opening today, and she's in the studio right now to tell us more. LENA?
Rob, the Laurel House is part of the House organization here in Grand Junction. It's going to be the new home for at least 34 at-risk or homeless young adults. The facility will have everything they need to have a stable life and will include on-site medical and mental health services. CARES, the organization that spearheaded this project, is also teaming up with Denver University, and they're doing research on the outcomes of young people in supportive housing. Young people who are homeless are at a high risk of assault, sexual assault, victimization, addiction, and even death.
Their main capacity in that situation is just to think about how to survive, how to get to their next meal, how to stay safe overnight.
And in Mesa County, more than 1/3 of the homeless population is youth or young adults. That's why many folks see the Laurel House as a crucial facility in Grand Junction.
So it's really a building that's meant to invite hope and progress in our youth.
And now its doors are open and ready to serve as a roof over the heads of at least 34 young people. The people selected to live in the apartments can stay for free.
And the youth that will be invited here will be the most vulnerable youth in our community. We're really looking for youth that we know are at long-term risk for homelessness.
Once they get jobs, they'll pay 30% of their incomes as rent.
We are trying to teach these youth independent living.
But facilities like the Laurel House aren't just good for the residents who live in it. Some experts say these types of facilities would save tax dollars in the long run.
There's a lot of tax dollars that goes into programs like this, and there's a lot more tax dollars, according to the research, that goes into this population if they don't get housing like this.
The Laurel House has beds, kitchens, and communal spaces. Most importantly, it gives these young people a place to call home.
And so this housing is designed to hold those populations with these unique challenges in a manner that keeps them safe, keeps them stable in the long run.
The community is invited to take a tour of the Laurel House this weekend. Visit us at westernslopenow.com to sign up. First on the Western Slope and live in the studio, I'm LENA TAKADA, KREX 5 News. Rob?
Thanks, LENA. And the Grand Valley saw another ribbon